This could be better.
Passions and brews, mix them up and make a stew. I've got a tongue of veal, wonders at an orphan's meal. Oh yes, what a marvellous potion, yes, a marvellous potion indeed. Oh, this wicked brew is almost complete, but first I need one more ingredient. You! But you didn't think I saw you, boy. Well, magical cameras are nothing for my witch's eyes.
Wow, cool eyes.
Flattery won't save you. You see, the final ingredient to this potion is your eyes. My potion!
Yes!
Passions and blues, mix them up and make a stew. I've got a tongue of veal, wonders at an orphan's meal. Passions and blues, the time has come to mix a stew. Gather your ingredients, the witching hour's now commenced. Although it's time to make the stew, it is not easy to craft a brew. For if you make one mistake, a monstrous potion will surely wake. Whoa!